All right, so this is for the Stone Glacier kit, the install. You're going to have your backer. Of course, there'll be a holster on the other side, but these straps that have the hole in it that's bolted to the backer that just has a loop here, you take this buckle off of right here on your Stone Glacier. They just unclip right here. This comes undone. Stick it on this loop. So do the same thing on the other side. And then now your Stone Glacier harness will clip into the holster. Okay, and then you'll have the universal loops that come off of this backer. You'll just run that up and snap it back down onto the backer like that. Okay, so it'll hang off of these where those black side release buckles used to be. And then you'll have these that are here on this bar, and they're going to be longer. You're going to want to take those off when you're not using this chest rig as just a chest rig. You have it hooked to your Bino harness, right? Just stash them in this pocket right here. What those are for is when you want to run the holster as just a chest rig without the Bino pouch. So you would take these, put them on this bar, and then now the Stone Glacier harness will hook into these straps just like it does on the pouch. So that's how you assemble your backer with the straps and the buckles for your Stone Glacier kit.